Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be actually covering something a little unique. I'm going to be going over why it's important to be able to know so many different features, as well as just, I guess, some design thinking of how you may want to tackle a problem and different ways you can do that. So right off the bat, you can see I've created four little, I guess, shot glasses or little cups or caps that are all identical. But the differences between them is how I actually made them. And there's a whole slew of different ways you can make these, more than just four. But I just kind of showcased some basic ways of doing it. And we're just going to go actually through the build history, excuse me, and take a look at that. And I'm also going to be turning on, can't do it without the sketches there. I'm going to turn on the sketches so you can see each step as we go. So first off, I start off with a circle, and I extrude that into a cylinder, and I draw a circle up on the top, and then I do a negative extrude, hollowing it out, and then I add two fillets, the fillet on the inside and the fillet on the outside. And there you go, that's the first one. Took 6 steps to do. Very simple steps, but still 6 steps. That's a decent amount. This next one, we actually are going to be starting with a partial cross-section of this cup. And then from there, just revolving it, and boom. It only took 2 steps. Though the cross section is a lot more complicated in sketching out compared to a circle, but you were able to cut down on how many steps it took to actually get there. Next one, we're going to start with a circle on the base, extrude that just a little bit. So that's making the bottom cap of the cup. And then you're going to do another sketch for a ring, and then extrude that up, and then from there adding the 2 fillets. And then the last one, you're going to start with a circle on the bottom, extrude to a cylinder, add the fillet now, and then hollow it out with a shell feature. And so yeah, so you can see I've made the exact same thing. And but you can also see how many steps I had to take with some of these. This one was 6 steps. This one was 2 steps, 6 steps, and 4 steps. And there's not really a right or wrong way of modeling these. Definitely there's like a level of preference. But if you're wanting to get better at modeling, there's definitely tricks you want to be trying to utilize. And that's the way you learn those is 1, by practice, and 2, by learning as many features as you can. As you can see, like with this one right here, I was able to eliminate 4 steps by using revolve. And with this one, I was able to eliminate 2 steps by using shell. Again, it also is going to differ depending on what you're making, but it really makes a huge difference. And so there's just, again, just a little bit of a different video, kind of just going into how to think your way through modeling something. Definitely leave a comment in below if this is something you'd like to see more of. This is something that I have done a lot of modeling over the years, and over time I've been able to acquire kind of these skills to look at a model this way. But yeah, definitely leave a comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm planning on continuing making more of these videos, and I hope to see you guys next time. So thanks again, and we'll see you.